Right, so just a quick recap of what it looked like before, and then here's the finished article. Now, as you can see, it still doesn't match because this is a different colour. This is old, slightly dirty. This rug has not been cleaned. We haven't cleaned this rug. Basically what happened is a guy was doing some floor sanding and these long fringes went up the floor sander and ripped a big chunk out, so he's brought it into us to have it repaired. And Shan did say that although we can repair it and make it look very much the same, there will be a colour difference. So he's going to take it back like this and hope that the customer's happy, and if the customer isn't happy, he'll bring it back to us and we'll try and re-dye it to as close a match as possible as the dirty fringe there. It's a shame we're not cleaning it, because if we cleaned it we'd get it a lot closer. Obviously we can get this fringe a lot cleaner than it is. Anyway, I'll shut up, and that's pretty much it. I'll see you on the next one.